Let's fix this Discord error. Do not skip any steps. Press Windows key and S key to open search. Type Task Manager and it will show up. Right click on it and run as administrator. Once it opens, go to Details tab. Now find out processes with the name Discord. Right click on the first one and then select End Task. Repeat it for next one. All Discord processes will go away. Now close Task Manager and press Windows and S key to open search menu. Type Control Panel and open Control Panel. Now go to Uninstall Programs. Find Discord in the list. Right click on it and select Uninstall. Now we have to update GP. Close the control panel. Now press Windows key and S key to open search again. Type CMD. It will show command prompt in the list. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now type command gp update /force and hit enter. Let this finish. It will take a few seconds to complete. Now press Windows key and R key to open run window. Then type %appdata% and click on OK. Now find Discord folder in the list. Right click on it and select delete to remove the folder. Now open run again and type %local app data % and click on OK. Again delete Discord folder from the list. Now before you restart your computer, just download the Discord from their site. Once the computer is restarted, install the Discord. It should work smoothly. I hope this solution was very simple. Enjoy.